Hello everyone! Today my nail art is Legos in only 5 easy steps. Let's begin! Links to these items used are in the description box below. Step 1. Create a 3D rectangle with red acrylic powder, liquid monomer, and a thick acrylic brush. Take around 2 big beads of acrylic and squish them together to form your rectangle. Keep pressing the sides with the brush until it finally hardens and dries. Right before it dries, try to make the edges as straight as possible. If you would like, add more acrylic on top for a more 3D look. Here's what it looks like sideways. Step 2. Next, create 6 little cylinders that will later be placed on top of the rectangle with a small acrylic brush. Try not to flatten the cylinders from the top because we want them to look 3D. Add some more acrylic on the top of the 6 cylinders if needed, and always check the sides for symmetry. Step 3. Put some no-wipe gel top coat on the rectangle, and after everything dries, take the 6 mini cylinders and place them on top of your rectangle to look like a Lego piece, like so. I use tweezers to make life easier. Step 4. Cure in a UV or LED lamp for however long the bottle says. I cured the Lego piece for about 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Step 5. Add strong clear nail polish or acrylic on your nail to stick the piece on your nail. Then, place the Lego on top and admire your masterpiece. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. It would mean so much to me because I would always like more people to watch my videos. Thank you so much for watching.